Welcome to our video on how to overcome limiting beliefs about money. Many of us have beliefs that hold us back when it comes to financial success. And in this video, we're going to explore some common limiting beliefs and share strategies for overcoming them. Limiting belief 1. I'll never be able to make enough money. This belief is rooted in the idea that there's a fixed amount of wealth in the world, and that some people are simply destined to struggle financially. However, this isn't true. The world is constantly changing, and there are always new opportunities for financial success. Strategy for overcoming this belief. Focus on the things you can control, like your own actions and choices. Instead of worrying about how much money other people have, focus on taking small steps to improve your own financial situation. This can include things like creating a budget, saving money, and looking for ways to increase your income. Limiting belief 2. I'm not good at managing money. Many people believe that they simply don't have the skills or knowledge to manage their finances effectively. However, this belief is often based on a lack of information or experience. Strategy for overcoming this belief. Educate yourself about personal finance. There are countless resources available online, from budgeting apps to financial blog, to books on personal finance. The more you know about managing money, the more confident you'll feel in your abilities. Additionally, consider seeking the help of a financial advisor or planner to help guide your decisions and provide you with a plan. Limiting belief 3. Money is the root of all evil. This belief is based on the idea that having money will inevitably lead to negative consequences, such as greed and corruption. However, money itself is not inherently good or bad. It's simply a tool that can be used for both positive and negative purposes. Strategy for overcoming this belief. Reframe your relationship with money. Instead of viewing it as a source of evil, think about all the good things that having money can bring, such as financial security, the ability to help others, and the ability to achieve your goals. Additionally, consider setting financial goals that align with your values, such as saving for a charitable cause or investing in sustainable business. Limiting belief 4. I'm not smart enough to invest my money. This belief is rooted in the idea that investing money is only for financially savvy individuals with a lot of knowledge and experience. However, anyone can learn how to invest and make smart financial decisions. Strategy for overcoming this belief. Educate yourself on the basics of investing and start small with low-risk options like mutual funds or index funds. Seek the help of a financial advisor or professional to guide you in making informed decisions. Remember that the key to successful investing is to start early and be consistent, not to be an expert overnight. Limiting belief 5. I'll never be able to save enough money. This belief is based on the idea that saving money is impossible, particularly for those living paycheck to paycheck. However, saving money is possible for anyone, regardless of their income level. Strategy for overcoming this belief. Set realistic savings goals and create a budget that allocates money towards savings each month. Automate your savings by setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. Look for ways to reduce expenses, such as cutting back on subscriptions or eating out less. Remember that every little bit counts, and that it's more important to make a habit of saving. Limiting belief 6. I'm not disciplined enough to stick to a budget. This belief is based on the idea that sticking to a budget requires a high level of discipline and self-control. However, budgeting is not about being perfect. It's about being aware of your spending and making adjustments as necessary. Strategy for overcoming this belief. Start by tracking your spending for a month to get a clear picture of where your money is going. Once you have a better understanding of your spending habits, create a realistic budget that allows for some flexibility. Use budgeting apps or tools to help you stay on track and make adjustments as needed. Remember that budgeting is a process, and it's okay to make mistakes. Just learn from them and keep moving forward. Limiting belief 7. I'm too old to make a change in my financial situation. This belief is based on the idea that it's too late to make significant changes to your financial situation, particularly as you get older. However, it's never too late to improve your financial situation and make progress towards your goals. Strategy for overcoming this belief. Focus on small steps you can take to improve your financial situation, such as paying off debt, increasing your income, or saving for retirement. Seek the help of a financial advisor to create a plan that takes into account your current situation and future goals. Remember that the key is to start now and make progress, no matter how small. Limiting belief 8. I don't have enough money to start a business. This belief is based on the idea that starting a business requires a significant amount of capital and financial resources. However, there are many ways to start a business with little to no money. Strategy for overcoming this belief. Research low-cost or no-cost business models, such as starting a business online or offering services on a freelance basis. Look for ways to bootstrap your business, such as by using personal savings or finding investors. Consider starting small and growing your business gradually over time. Remember that the key is to start and take advantage of opportunities as they arise. Limiting belief 9. I'm not good at sales, so I can't make money. This belief is based on the idea that making money requires a high level of sales skills and persuasion. However, there are many ways to make money that don't rely solely on sales. Strategy for overcoming this belief. Focus on developing skills that are in demand, such as programming, design, or data analysis. Consider starting a business that provides a service or creates a product that solves a problem for a specific niche market. Remember that there are many ways to make money, and you don't have to be a salesperson to be successful. Limiting belief 10. I'm not confident enough to ask for a raise. This belief is based on the idea that asking for a raise requires a high level of confidence and assertiveness. However, anyone can learn to communicate their value and ask for a raise. Strategy for overcoming this belief. Prepare by researching the going rate for your role and gathering evidence of your accomplishments. Practice your pitch before talking to your boss. Remind yourself of the value you bring to the company and your worth. Remember that asking for a raise is not a personal attack, it's a negotiation, and you deserve to be compensated for your work. In conclusion, limiting beliefs about money can hold us back from achieving our financial goals. But by identifying and challenging these beliefs, we can take control of our financial situation and work towards a more secure and prosperous future. Remember, focus on the things you can control, educate yourself, reframe your relationship with money, and set realistic goals. We hope this video has provided valuable insights and strategies for overcoming limiting beliefs about money. Remember, it's never too late to start making changes to your financial situation, and it's important to be kind to yourself throughout the process. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and advice.